How to set up your status line in Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can set up your custom status line in Claude Code. So to do that, the first thing that we're going to do is simply type in the Claude command in our Windows PowerShell, which will fire up our Claude Code CLI. Then in the terminal line, simply type in the forward slash and then type in status line. Hit the enter button and wait for Claude to respond. Now there are different methods in order to get the status line, and it is a little bit trickier, especially if you are trying to do it in Windows as compared to Linux and Mac OS, where this particular step is fairly very easy as it requires your PS1 in order to do this. So as you can see, this says the agent couldn't find standard shell config files since you're on Windows. So what we can instead do is that either if you know your PS1, you can simply paste it right here, or you can point to the config file, example WSL or git bash config, or also you can set up a fresh status line, so which will show the default user directory model and context usage. So this particular, the third steps is the simplest. So what you can simply type in is the third option and then hit the enter button. Now it will set up a fresh status line and it will configure it according to the default showing user, the directory, the model, and it will show you the context usage as well. So now you can see that the status line setup has started again, and it is showing me all of the edit code that it has done right here. And now it says, do you want to make this edit to status line command.sh? So I'm going to choose the second option in order to allow the future edits as well. Now here you can see that it is again running the process, and we will just wait for this to finish, and then we will check if the status line is working or not. So let us wait for Claude to finish this process, which has already consumed or around 903 tokens for this particular response. So let us wait for a while and see what it does. So now you can see that this says your status line is configured. It will show my username, the current directory, the branch, the model, and the usage as well. And this config is in this particular directory, and the script is in this particular directory. And we can customize it anytime by asking to update the status line. So that's how easily you can set up the status line. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.